the recording. Okay, so last time we were at the
endomembrane system.
Correct students? Yes, very good. Endomembrane system पे थे हम. What is endomembrane system? पूजा, अब तक जो भी हमने किया है वो YouTube चैनल पे तुझे मिल जाएगा, ठीक है? So don't have to worry, कोई टेंशन नहीं लेना. मैं लिंक डालूंगा ग्रुप में, उस लिंक पे जाके तू इसके पहले के दोनों लेक्चर्स यू कैन अटेंड. पूरा का पूरा लेक्चर रिकॉर्डेड है वहां पे, सो कुछ भी मिस नहीं होगा. हार्डली यू हैव मिस्ड मे बी 1 or 2 पेजेस, ठीक है? कोई बाकी कुछ भी ज्यादा मिस नहीं, तो टेंशन नहीं लेना. एंड इवन दैट, एक बार वीडियो देखने के बाद यू हैव, इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट्स यू कैन आस्क मी, यू कैन इवन कॉल मी, सो नो प्रॉब्लम विद दैट. ओके, जस्ट अ सेकंड स्टूडेंट्स, लेट मी चेंज द मीटिंग सेटिंग्स. Security, you can chat only with me, nobody else. Okay, so let us start. Yes, so this is endomembrane system over here on your screen, students. Endomembrane system, we are studying eukaryotic cell, है ना? So last time what we did is eukaryotic cell में different components we are trying to study. So over here you have this image which I have depicted. इस इमेज में आपको क्या दिख रहा है स्टूडेंट्स? आपको दिखाई दे रहा है एक रेसिपी, है ना? ओवर हियर आई कैन सी दिस रेसिपी. रेसिपी को पढ़ के कौन खाना बनाएगा? कुक, है ना? एंड देन फ्रॉम कुक द फूड इज पैकेज्ड ओवर हियर विद द हेल्प ऑफ पैकेजिंग टीम. एंड देन पैकेजिंग टीम कैन ईदर एक्सपोर्ट द पैकेज ऑफ फूड और दे कैन कीप इट इनसाइड दिस सेल. If it is kept inside this cell, it can either be used for killing purpose. Killing मतलब क्या अपन करेंगे वो अभी देखेंगे हम लोग, ठीक है? हार्मफुल मटेरियल्स को किल करने के लिए भी काम आ सकता है. एंड द मटेरियल्स कैन आल्सो बी स्टोर्ड ओवर हियर. देखो ये स्टोरेज है, ठीक है? तो ये एग्जैक्टली जो कैरेक्टर्स हैं ये कौन से सेल ऑर्गेनल्स हैं? दीज कैरेक्टर्स आर representing which cell components, which cell organelles, that we are going to understand today. Okay students, so this is mRNA. If I have to speak technically about it, recipe means mRNA. Okay, the cook over here is endoplasmic reticulum, which will help ribosomes, which are present on it. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, if you remember students, it will help the ribosomes to produce food. ठीक है? जस्ट आराम से भी सुनो, पहले समझ लो मैं क्या बातें बोल रहा हूँ, ठीक है? कोई भी जरा भी जल्दबाजी में मत रहो. If anybody of you is having this doubt in their mind कि sir why not, can I call this cook as ribosome? You can definitely call this as ribosomes, but because we are studying endomembrane system का part ribosome नहीं है. Ribosome is not considered as the part of endomembrane system. Therefore, I am looking at the larger picture. ठीक है? So who is the next one who helps in the synthesis of protein? It would be rough endoplasmic reticulum or endoplasmic reticulum overall. So this is endoplasmic reticulum I would consider over here in this context. आज के डिस्कशन में इसको हम endoplasmic reticulum consider करेंगे. And then the food, the protein which is synthesized is given to the packaging team. ये टीम क्या है students? Golgi body or Golgi complex. All right, then Golgi complex will package the food and it will be released out of the cell. Cell के बाहर चला जाएगा ये food. In which form? I will make you understand कि which form. The foods, the proteins are released in which form? That I will explain you today. So we are going to cover that also, students. And then Golgi complex also produce packets of enzymes. Packets of enzymes, which as you can see by the picture, is used to kick the harmful materials. It is used to break the harmful materials. It is used to degrade the toxic materials. And that we very well know is lysosomes. So lysosomes are also produced by the Golgi complex. Okay, lysosomes are used to break certain things. That means lysosomes ke andar, inside the lysosomes, we must be having enzymes. Am I understood, students? Am I understood till here? Everyone, please confirm me. Jaldi jaldi se confirm kar do.
Yes.
Raise your hand. Raise your hand.
Yes, sir.
Students, raise your hand. Okay.
Sir, please explain the lysosome part again.
Okay, lysosome part. ठीक है. So I was saying कि Golgi complex also produces packets of enzymes which are termed as lysosomes, and these lysosomes contain enzymes which can degrade unwanted materials. It can degrade unwanted materials, and therefore they help us to overcome the toxicity if in case it enters inside the cell. Okay. Acha, one more
Yes,
request,
sir.
students. If possible, if you are okay with it, you can please switch on your camera. Okay. That is my request. Again, it is not compulsory, because if you're not comfortable, you may not switch on your camera. But if in case you're comfortable with it, do switch on your camera. Yes, very good. Shabash. And let us be face to face. Let us understand things in a better manner. Okay. Chalo. Should we go ahead, students? Should we go ahead? If you'll ask me, sir, what is this cupboard for? So this is storage house, and I can see the component inside the eukaryotic cell, which is used for storage. So which is that component, students? We know very well. Storage ke liye.
Vacuole.
Vacuole is right answer, Palak. Vacuole is right answer. So vacuole is used for storage purpose, and vacuole is large in case of plant cells. They are smaller in case of animal cells. Okay, they are small in case of animal cells. What is the reason? Because animals' metabolism is more faster and they use materials more quickly. Therefore, they do not have to store much things. Okay, students. Now I'm coming to the technical part. Let us come to technical part now. Okay, ये आपने story समझ लिया? Let us go to the individual characters of the story. Okay, students. So I'm first heading towards. Just a second. Yes, yahan aa jata hai. So the first part of endomembrane system, structure. We are going to the structure, students. So these are the technical characters. Have a look at them. Have a look at them. कौन कौन मुझे दिखाई दे रहा है, students? I can see endoplasmic reticulum. First of all,
endoplasmic reticulum.
First of all, let us try to understand. कि why do I call them as endomembrane system? So first definition मैंने क्या दिया line में, students? Some cell organelles. What do I mean by the term organelles? What do I mean by the term organelles? It means components. Okay, it means components. Jigar, mic mute. Okay, good. Okay. So when I say organelles, students, I mean components. Okay. So cell components, some cell components or cell organelles are considered together as endomembrane system, because their functions are coordinated. Hence, they are considered as a system. ये हमको भी पता, आपको याद आ रहा है? Different organs come together to perform similar function or to perform overall function, physiological function, and that we define as organ system. Can you recollect? Organ system.
Yes, sir.
Then we have buccal cavity, we have stomach, we have esophagus, we have intestine, small intestine, large intestine, and then we have glands, exocrine, endocrine, many glands. ये सारे मिलके हमारे systems बनाते हैं. Similarly, over here, I have these cell components जो मैं अभी पढ़ने वाला हूँ. There are certain components which together perform similar function or give rise to similar function, and that is known as endomembrane system. Structurally, they are not similar. Structure-wise, they are not similar, but function-wise, they're performing towards the same goal, same objective. Let us see which are these cell organelles, which are these cell components. You have to speak out both the terms. ठीक है, दोनों बार-बार बोलने का. Cell organelles, cell components. Okay. So first one is endoplasmic reticulum. Next is Golgi complex or Golgi body or Golgi apparatus. Different terms use किया गया है, students. ठीक है? Golgi complex, Golgi body, Golgi apparatus. These are three different terms which are used in many books. Different books में different terms use किए जाते हैं. Next, lysosomes, and next we have vacuoles. So these are the four components which you have to study under endomembrane system. Very important point for NEET students, all the students who are going to attempt NEET. This question might come in your NEET paper also, and this is how they might frame it. Okay, listen to this question and try to answer me. Which of the following components or which of the following cell organelle is not a part of endomembrane system? Which of the following cell organelle is not a part of endomembrane system? Option A, vacuole. Option B, lysosome. Option C, mitochondria. Option D, endoplasmic reticulum.
Mitochondria.
Mitochondria.
माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया, वेरी गुड, दिस वाज वेरी सिंपल बिकॉज हमने अभी अभी पढ़ा है, ठीक है। 4 महीने बाद वापस से आपको एक क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा, देन यू विल से ए भी हो सकता है, बी भी हो सकता है, सी भी है, डी भी है, कोई भी हो सकता है, ऑल ऑफ दिस। यू हैव नॉट गिवन ऑल ऑफ दिस ऑप्शन यार, आप ऐसा पूछोगे सर आपने ऑल ऑफ दिस वाला ऑप्शन नहीं दिया। सो सी इज द आंसर, राइट है, करेक्ट है, एंड होपफुली यू विल रिकलेक्ट द सेम थिंग आफ्टर 3-4 मंथ्स आल्सो। चलो आपको पिक्चर में स्टूडेंट्स क्या दिख रहा है, पिक्चर में चेक करो एक बार क्या दिख रहा है। तो पिक्चर में जूम करता हूँ, ये देखो, लेट अस फोकस, वेरी नाइस इमेज ओवर हियर स्टूडेंट्स, बहुत अच्छा इमेज दिया है। चेक करो, जहां मैं लेजर जा रहा हूँ वहीं पे खाली आपको चेक करना है, ठीक है। दिस इज न्यूक्लियस ओवर हियर, कैन यू सी द रेड लेजर स्टूडेंट्स, न्यूक्लियस ओवर हियर, चेक करो, कैन आई सी न्यूक्लियस ओवर हियर, ये देखो न्यूक्लियस है ना, ये न्यूक्लियस के अंदर है। फ्रॉम हियर mRNA विल कम आउटवर्ड्स, देखो बाहर आ रहा है यहाँ पे। नाउ न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन से कनेक्टेड है, न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन से कनेक्टेड है एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम। ओके, इफ आई हैव टू ड्रॉ दिस स्टूडेंट्स, मैं इसको अगर ड्रॉ करना है मुझे, तो दिस इज हाउ आई कैन ड्रॉ टेक्निकली, ठीक है, वेरी स्कीमेटिक डायग्राम इफ आई एम इमेजिनिंग, सो दिस इज हाउ वी कैन गो अहेड। ये देखो स्टूडेंट्स, if suppose this is nucleus, ठीक है, suppose this is nucleus and yes, this is nucleus, suppose, okay, so nucleus would be having 2 nuclear membranes, inner, outer, inner, outer, okay। So if this is my outer membrane students, ये देखो, ये inner membrane बना देता हूं मैं, this is my inner membrane, inner membrane of nucleus, and this is outer membrane of nucleus। ये check करो students, this is outer membrane of nucleus, suppose, okay, this over here is nucleus। ये देखो मैं अंदर पूरा nucleus ही बना देता हूँ, ये देखो दिख रहा है nucleus सारा कुछ है ना, this entire part is nucleus, and nucleus has 2 membranes, one is the inner one, green one, and the outer one is in blue color, okay, so it has 2 membranes, the inner membrane and the outer membrane, the inner membrane and the outer membrane। यहां तक सबको क्लियर है, यहां तक सबको क्लियर है स्टूडेंट्स? ओके, नाउ इफ यू रिमेंबर द टर्म पेरी, व्हाट डू आई मीन बाय द टर्म पेरी?
Around.
Around.
Very good, peri means around, peri means around। So now tell me the name of this space over here, can I call it as peri, peri nuclear space? समझ में आया
Yes,
मतलब?
sir.
Perinuclear space, what do I mean by this term perinuclear space? Around nucleus, around nucleus, itna clear hai students? Tell me, is this point clear, is this point clear? Okay, shabash, shabash। Now I'll delete this, I'll redraw nucleus just to make you understand the next point। okay, ये देखो, ये वापस से मैंने हटा दिया, अब वापस मैं उस पे ही आ रहा हूं। okay, फिर से बनाते हैं, let us draw this again। so again nucleus, okay students, nucleus draw कर दिया, and now I'll draw the membranes in a manner in which they actually are। so कैसा होता है students? The inner membrane and the outer membrane of nucleus both are fused at certain points। inner membrane and outer membrane of nucleus both are fused at certain points। let us see what will happen if they become fused। ये देखो, for example ऐसे जा रहा है मेरा ये outer inner membrane, sorry, this is inner membrane, okay, so ये गया inner membrane and ये रहा inner membrane, ठीक है, and then I have this outer membrane, ये देखो। so if inner outer membrane are fused, check करो students, ये fused हो गए, ये check करो, they are fused, can you check? they are fused at 2 places, they are fused over here, यहाँ पे fuse हो गया, यहाँ पे fuse हो गए, similarly यहाँ पे and यहाँ पे, at these 4 places they are fused with each other। inner membrane and outer membrane are fused, can you see this everyone? everyone है ना, fused है, and now because they are fused students, because both the membranes are fused, can I see a small pore? Can I see a small pore? Can I see a small pore over here? Over here, can I see this pore students? Can I just see this pore, minute pore opening? Can I see this opening? सबको दिख रहा है ये? raise your hand students।
Yes.
and yes, Ashwini, Drashti, Sakshi, Zoha, Jigar, Manav Gandhi, very good, shabash, shabash। should I define this as nuclear pore? nuclear pore students, चलो इसको nuclear pore define कर देते हैं, है ना, nuclear pore Many a times there is another term to the students, nuclear pore complex. Nuclear pore complex. This term is also used. ठीक है, अभी के लिए मैं I'm just saying nuclear pore. You will understand that. Nuclear pore. Is that understood till now? And I'll repeat everything. Nucleus contains two membranes. Nucleus contains two membranes. Inner, outer. Inner, outer. When both the membranes get fused, when both these membranes fuse, they give rise to a small opening which is known as nuclear pore. Small opening which is known as nuclear pore. Can I say, students, this nuclear pore has to be the entry and exit point for the materials which want to enter nucleus and for the materials which want to leave the nucleus. Right? Can I say that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
They would be serving as the window, right? They would be serving as the window for the entry and exit of materials from or into the cell, sorry, nucleus over here. Can I label this space as, can I say this area, can I define this area as nucleoplasm? Nucleoplasm. Tell me, cytoplasm, entire cell के अंदर nucleus के अंदर का space, nucleoplasm. Tell me students, ये देखो, suppose this is my cell, ठीक है, this is entire cell. Okay, so now this area over here, this area is known as, बताओ मुझे, this area is known as
Cytoplasm.
Very good, Palak. Do you all agree with this? Palak के answer से all of us agree with this. This is known as cytoplasm. Yes, students. Yes, Jenny.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes,
Pooja, Priyanka, Shabash. Mansi, Zoha. Yes, बोलो.
सर वो ओपनिंग को न्यूक्लियर पोर बोलते हैं ना?
करेक्ट. ओके, ये देखो, ये साइटोप्लाज्म अगर हुआ स्टूडेंट्स, if this is cytoplasm, then can I say कि न्यूक्लियस के अंदर जो स्पेस है that is nucleoplasm, students? Can I say that space is known as nucleoplasm? Tell me. Can I say that known as nucleoplasm? Very good. Now I'm coming to the important part, students. Focus over here. I'm coming to the important part now. Okay, I'm coming to the important part now. So now we are going to align where exactly endoplasmic reticulum would be present. Where exactly endoplasmic reticulum is present. Okay, so let us come to endoplasmic reticulum. I know very well कि nuclear pore is present. Now what I will do is, ये देखो, ये check करो students. Check करो मैं कैसे बना रहा हूँ, ठीक है? The way I am drawing this now. So I'll use a slightly darker point over here and let me draw in this pattern. ये देखो, ठीक है, इस तरह से, something like this, sacules type, flattened structure type, flat structures type. Check करो, ये देखो, यहाँ देखो students, can you see over here this zone over here in the diagram, this zone, this entire segment, this is endoplasmic reticulum. Can you see flattened structures, flat structures? Can you all notice over here students? ये देखो, मैं इसको zoom करता हूँ, then you will get to understand. ठीक है, ये देखो, check करो. So here you have this nuclear envelope. Okay, nuclear envelope दिख रहा है students, and can you see the opening? Nuclear pore, ये देखो, this is nuclear pore. Look at the laser. This is nuclear pore, students, over here. And then materials will come out of this point. They will enter into the endoplasmic reticulum. This is how they will move outwards. This is how they will move outwards. Are you getting this? So this entire zone is endoplasmic reticulum. Pooja, समझ में आ रहा है? पूजा, समझ में आ रहा है सब कुछ? पूजा?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay. What about others? Priya?
हाँ सर.
Very good. Students जैसे ना समझे, let me know. ठीक है? Okay. So this is known as endoplasmic reticulum. And over here, let me differentiate between two types of endoplasmic reticulum. Chalo, look into the diagram, students. Can you see blue dots over here? Can you see blue dots, students? Blue dots दिख रहे हैं मुझे?
Yes,
blue
sir.
dots? Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Can I see
Yes,
blue
sir.
dots over here? Can I see blue dots over here in this segment
No,
of
sir.
No,
endometrium?
sir.
No,
sir.
sir.
I cannot see. Yes, I cannot see. So if I say, students, if I say these blue dots are known as ribosomes, these blue dots are known as ribosomes. So I have two types of endoplasmic reticulum which I can see. One part is having ribosomes on its surface, and the other type of endoplasmic reticulum doesn't have ribosomes on its surface. One part has ribosomes, the other part doesn't have. So the part which has ribosomes, on its surface, tell me, इसका सरफेस स्मूथ दिख रहा है आपको या इसका सरफेस स्मूथ नजर आ रहा है? कौन सा सरफेस स्मूथ दिखेगा?
जिनके ऊपर राइबोसोम्स है वो रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिक्यूलम, और जिनके ऊपर नहीं है वो स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिक्यूलम।
क्या बात है, क्या बात है, वेरी वेल डन देवांशी, वेरी क्लियरली डिस्क्राइब्ड बाय देवांशी, वेरी क्लियर,
Sir,
वेरी simple words. Yes.
excuse me, sir. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
if this rough and reticulum is carrying ribosomes, then why ribosome is not an endomembrane, not a part of endomembrane system?
Got your question. Got your question. Because ribosomes do not have membrane. They are non-membranous structures. Simple answer.
Okay.
Ribosomes are non-membranous structures. When I say endomembrane, I am including all those cell organelles. I am including all those cell organelles which have membrane. But then Mahi will ask me, sir, membrane ही include करना था अगर आपको, तो आपने माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया क्यों नहीं include किया? Mitochondria also has cell membrane, है ना? Mitochondria also is a membranous structure. Chloroplast is also a membranous structure. Right, Mahi? Both of them are membranous, but why do I not include them in this endomembrane system? Who can answer me this? Why do I not include them? Why have I not included them?
Their function
They
is
are
different.
not dependent.
शाबाश, नहीं, आदित्य का आंसर करेक्ट है. पलक, what you answered? I didn't hear you clearly.
Because they are not dependent.
They are not dependent. अच्छा नहीं नहीं. This is something which I won't be using. नहीं, ठीक है. This is not very specific. So I'll go ahead with Aditya का answer कि they are not performing similar function. They are not connected functionally with these organelles. समझ में आया? माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया का फंक्शन क्या है? दूर दूर तक कहाँ फंक्शन है माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया का? इट इज इन्वॉल्व विद द एनर्जी
Synthesize
सिंथेसिस.
ATP.
हाँ, पावर हाउस ऑफ सेल, है ना? पावर हाउस ऑफ सेल. व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ क्लोरोप्लास्ट? सिंथेसिस ऑफ
To produce food.
वेरी गुड, बाय फोटोसिंथेसिस. एंड इनके फंक्शन देखो क्या है, इन चारों का क्या फंक्शन है, सारे किससे कंसर्न है? प्रोटीन बनाओ, प्रोटीन को स्टोर करो, प्रोटीन को यूज करो, प्रोटीन बनाओ, स्टोर करो, यूज करो, बनाओ, स्टोर करो, यूज करो, बनाओ, स्टोर करो, यूज करो. यही काम करते हैं ये चारों मिलके. Therefore, दो क्वेश्चंस इंपॉर्टेंट था जो बहुत अच्छे से आप दोनों ने पूछा. आदित्य आल्सो आस्क्ड द सेम क्वेश्चन, एंड इवन किसने पूछा, दूसरा वाला किसने पूछा था, और किसने क्वेश्चन पूछा था? हाँ, अच्छा, नहीं, एक मैंने इमेजिनरी बनाया था कि सपोज माही ने पूछ लिया हो, है ना? सो एक आदित्य ने पूछा कि व्हाई कांट वी इंक्लूड राइबोसोम्स आल्सो इन दिस? सो आंसर वाज बिकॉज़ राइबोसोम्स डू नॉट हैव मेम्ब्रेन. एंड इफ सपोज किसी और ने पूछा होता कि मेम्ब्रेन की अगर बात कर रहे हो तो माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया के पास तो मेम्ब्रेन है. माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया हैज मेम्ब्रेन, सो व्हाई यू हैव नॉट इंक्लूडेड दैट? बिकॉज़ फंक्शनली इट इज नॉट रिलेटेड. ऑलराइट, ज्योतिका, आर यू देयर? ज्योतिका, आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस? Jyotika, Ashwini, is she there in the meeting, Jyotika?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good, good, good. I hope you're getting this, Jyotika.
Yes, sir.
Very good. What about you, Adrita? Adrita? Adrita, can you hear me, Adrita? Adrita? Hello, Adrita?
Sir, can you repeat the question?
हाँ, just a second, Jigar. Adrita, can you hear me? Adrita. Okay, ठीक है. Yes, question जिगर ये था क्वेश्चन कि क्वेश्चन पूछा था आदित्य ने कि राइबोसोम्स को हमने इंक्लूड क्यों नहीं किया है एंडोमेम्ब्रेन सिस्टम में. सो आंसर वाज राइबोसोम इज अ नॉन मेम्ब्रेनस स्ट्रक्चर. Therefore, okay, therefore it is not included. Endomembrane may we include all those cell organelles which have membrane, which are membrane bound. All right. Yes. So let me move ahead, students. So I know, and now I know that endoplasmic reticulum is of two types. Correct, students? Endoplasmic reticulum is of two types. One there is smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and I have rough endoplasmic reticulum. I have two types: smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum will help in synthesis of lipids. It will help in synthesis of lipids. And point number 2, it will also help in synthesis of steroid hormones. Next, it will also help in synthesis of, it will also help to detoxify. Detoxification matlab kya hota hai, students? It will help in detoxification. Detoxification. Anybody? It will help in detoxification.
It will break the toxic substances.
Very good. It will break the toxic materials, toxic chemicals. Shabash. So detoxification matlab kya? If anything is toxic, it will be transformed. It will be broken down. It would be made non-toxic. And can I therefore expect larger amount of smooth endoplasmic reticulum in the cells of liver? In the cells of liver, students, liver क्या काम करता है? मेटाबॉलिज्म का काम करता है, ब्रेकडाउन का काम करता है, बायोट्रांसफॉर्मेशन का काम करता है. ये सारे काम किसके हैं? लिवर के. लिवर डज द जॉब ऑफ मेटाबॉलिज्म, बायोट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, चेंजेस, डिटॉक्सिफिकेशन. एवरीथिंग इज जॉब ऑफ लिवर ओनली. लिवर makes sure कि everything that you eat, if it is non-water soluble, it will convert it into water soluble, students. Liver will convert, it will try to convert it into water soluble. Why? Because water soluble things can be excreted out easily via urine. Is that understood? Therefore, liver is very important. And hence liver will say, "Arey wah, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, this is good function that you have. Please be present in larger amount in my cells." Liver ने क्या बोला? Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, you are performing very good functions. Do be present in large amount in my cells. Okay. And now compare करो, students. Please compare and let me know. ठीक है? Skeletal muscles में which endoplasmic reticulum will be in higher amount? Skeletal muscles or muscles?
Rough endoplasmic reticulum.
Rough endoplasmic reticulum. Very good, because muscles need protein.
Proteins.
Correct, students? Very good. Muscles need protein. You need protein to develop strong muscles. So protein synthesis is done by rough endoplasmic reticulum. Therefore, the skeletal muscle cells, the cells of skeletal muscles will be having rough endoplasmic reticulum in larger amount, while simple example, liver cells would be having smooth endoplasmic reticulum in comparatively larger amount. Is this clear up till now, students? Is this clear up till now?
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, in liver, proteins are not required?
No, it is not like that. It is not like that. Proteins are also required. Carbohydrates are also required. Lipids are also performed. See, liver is one place. Liver is kind of, you can say, it is a major site of metabolism. What is metabolism? Either making up or breaking down. Making up, breaking down. Anabolism, catabolism. Anabolism, catabolism. So liver is the major site. It performs metabolism for all three major biomolecules, including fourth one, nucleic acids also. But I'm just comparing relatively. Relatively, कहाँ पे ज़्यादा होगा smooth endoplasmic reticulum? Going by the function, obviously liver. Okay, understood? If I compare relative मतलब comparison मतलब क्या? Rebecca has got 89 marks. Okay, Devanshi has got 92 marks in biology out of 100. Rebecca has 89, Devanshi has 92. Who is better student? So मैं तो बोलूंगा both are better. 89 is not that less. 92 is not that larger number as compared to 89. But relatively, if I compare them, if I relate them, then I'll say relatively, I think Devanshi is better because she has scored 92. Does that mean कि देवांशी को 89 नहीं आ सकता? 89 तो आया ही ना, 89 के बाद ही 92 आता है. So if I say relatively, smooth endoplasmic reticulum is in larger amount in liver. Try to understand. Relatively larger amount of smooth endoplasmic reticulum in liver and relatively larger amount of rough endoplasmic reticulum in skeletal muscle cells. Does that mean that liver doesn't have rough endoplasmic reticulum? No, they also have rough endoplasmic reticulum. Ultimately, they have variety of enzymes present in them. Liver have variety of enzymes present in them. If enzymes are there, definitely proteins are there. Because enzymes are all protein in nature except ribozyme. Ribozyme क्या है? Biomolecules chapter में पढ़ाऊंगा. चलो, clear up till now, students? Everyone, clear up till now?
Yes, sir.
Should we move
Thank you,
ahead?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ramesh. चलो, आगे बढ़ जाते हैं, students. So till now, I've come out of nucleus through nuclear pore. I've come out through nuclear pore. I can see nuclear envelope. What do I mean by nuclear envelope? I can very easily say nuclear envelope has to be the two layers which are outside nucleus. They have to be nuclear envelope, correct? Enveloping nucleus, surrounding nucleus, and the space between these two nuclear membranes is known as perinuclear space. I'm very well aware of that. Then, wherever nuclear membranes will fuse, they will give rise to dash. They will give rise to dash.
Nuclear pore.
That is right answer. That is right answer. Nuclear pore. Through nuclear pore, mRNA will come out. mRNA will come out through nuclear pore. ये देखो laser check करो students. Suppose this is mRNA. It will be produced inside the nucleus. It comes out through nuclear pore. It will come into rough endoplasmic reticulum. In the rough endoplasmic reticulum, when the mRNA reaches rough endoplasmic reticulum, it will come across this ribosomes. Ribosomes क्या बोलेंगे? आजा mRNA. I can read you. I can very well read you, and I will, with the help of transfer RNA, with the help of ribosomal RNA, I will produce proteins out of you. I will produce proteins out of you. And I know ribosomes बोल रहा है students. Repeat करता हूँ. mRNA जो बाहर आया अभी न्यूक्लियस से, mRNA को किसने पकड़ लिया? राइबोसोम अंकल ने पकड़ लिया. राइबोसोम अंकल कहाँ बैठे हैं? रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम के ऊपर. राइबोसोम अंकल ने क्या बोला? mRNA को पकड़ लिया. रुक जा, तेरे बाकी दोनों भाई भी मेरे पास हैं, मेरे कब्जे में. कौन से दो भाई? ट्रांसफर आरएनए एंड राइबोसोमल आरएनए. उन दोनों के मदद से मैं तुझे भी साथ में मिला के, तीनों जन को मिला के मैं क्या बनाने वाला हूं? तुम तीनों का यूज करके मैं क्या बनाने वाला हूं? प्रोटीन्स. एंड ये इसका किसने फाइनेंस किया है मेरे काम को? हु इज हेल्पिंग मी? Rough endoplasmic reticulum is helping me. Understood, students? Now I'll translate this in English for other students. Once mRNA has come out of nucleus, it will encounter ribosomes, which are sitting on the surface of rough endoplasmic reticulum. These ribosomes will catch hold of mRNA and they will say, mRNA, I have your two brothers also with me, that is tRNA and rRNA, together by taking services of all three of you. ये सब कौन बोल रहा है? Ribosomes बोल रहा है. So ribosome will say, with the help of all three of you, I am going to synthesize proteins. I'm going to synthesize proteins. And now students, ये देखो, proteins are going to get synthesized. Protein synthesis suppose हो गया. Protein synthesis हो गया. So proteins करने के बाद, we have to send this protein for packaging, right students? Over here check करो, यहाँ पे students please check over here. Please check over here, this part over here students, this part. ये दिख रहा है circle मैंने बनाया, this part. This is known as Golgi complex. This is known as, loudly, this is known as
Golgi complex.
Golgi body. Very good. So rough endoplasmic reticulum will say, chalo ribosome, now we have synthesized proteins. Let us send this protein for packaging now. कहाँ भेजे फॉर पैकेजिंग? किसने पूछा? रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम ने पूछा। किसको? राइबोसोम्स को। सो बताओ, आप आंसर दो, कहाँ भेजना चाहिए फॉर पैकेजिंग, फॉर
Golgi
Golgi
apparatus.
complex.
Golgi complex.
वेरी गुड। गोल्गी apparatus, गोल्गी कॉम्प्लेक्स, गोल्गी बॉडी। सो गोल्गी बॉडी क्या करेगा? वो बोलेगा सिंपल चीजों को कॉम्प्लेक्स बना देना मेरा काम है। सिंपल चीजों को कॉम्प्लेक्स बना देना मेरा काम है। ठीक है, जैसे सपोज आपको बोलना है कि कैन आई ड्रिंक वाटर, दिस इज सिंपल। आप बोलो कैन आई गो एंड हैव सम मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ H2O in a metallic cylindrical thing which is known as glass, which has one end open. Can I use as metallic cylinder which has one end open? Can I fill it with the bottom of the H2O molecules, and can I have it down my buccal cavity through esophagus into stomach, through intestine, small intestine, large intestine, into my blood, into my cells? So this is very complicated, बाप रे, है ना? तो ऐसा ये सब चीजें बनाना, कॉम्प्लिकेट करना, गोल 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 बनाना, गोल 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 बनाना, किसका काम है? गोल 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 गोल्गी कॉम्प्लेक्स का काम। Okay, students? Okay, students?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
As I said, see, whenever I use any example or any word, whenever I keep on stressing some word, remember that word is going to be useful for us. If I say Golgi complex is going to complicate the things. What I mean is, it is going to produce compound proteins, simple proteins, compound lipids. कैसे बनाएंगे? ये देखो, this is protein. Suppose this is protein, this is lipid. दोनों को कंबाइन कर दिया तो क्या बन गया? लिपोप्रोटीन। क्या बन गया? लिपोप्रोटीन। ये किसका काम है कंबाइन करना? ये कंबाइन करना किसका काम है? गोल्गी बॉडी का। अंडरस्टूड स्टूडेंट्स? अंडरस्टूड स्टूडेंट्स?
Yes. Yes, sir.
I'll repeat.
Yes.
Sir, can you repeat?
I'll repeat. I knew this, I'll repeat. Don't worry, ये थोड़ा सा फास्ट चला गया, ठीक है? Okay. रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम से मुझे क्या मिला? If I'm Golgi complex, रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम ने मुझे क्या दिया? उसने मुझे दिया प्रोटीन दिया। स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम ने क्या दिया मुझे? If I'm Golgi complex, I'll receive proteins from rough endoplasmic reticulum. I'll receive lipids from smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Am I understood up till now? Jyotika, please confirm me. Jyotika, Ashwini.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. See, because I understand that there are certain students who are not very much comfortable with Hindi. So do let me know if I am going out of context with Hindi. ठीक है? अगर हिंदी को लेकर मैं काफी आगे भाग रहा हूँ, if you people are thinking कि नहीं, this is one way traffic going on, Hindi, so let me just interfere immediately. Let me know, okay, sir, please translate into English. Okay. Yes. So this is protein which I've got from rough endoplasmic reticulum. Students, दिखाओ. Show me your right thumb. Quickly. Right thumb, everyone. Right thumb, everyone. Very good. Shabash. हाँ, विवेक ने मुझे thumbs up दे दिया है. Very good, Vivek. Now let me see where is your left thumb now. Okay. So this is left thumb, students. So right thumb is coming from the R for rough endoplasmic reticulum. This is protein there. Left thumb is coming from smooth endoplasmic reticulum. L for left, L for lipid. Okay, R for rough endoplasmic reticulum, protein, lipid, combine them. So it becomes lipoprotein. क्या बन गया students? Lipoprotein. So production of lipoprotein is done by Golgi complex. Is that understood? Students? Okay.
Yes,
very good.
sir.
This audio is on.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, Golgi complex makes only lipoprotein out of the proteins.
No. This is one of the functions. This is one of the products.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
One of the products. All right. Let us move ahead, students. So this is how I wanted to share this example just to make you understand that Golgi complex does the job of complexifying the things. Therefore, Golgi complex. Okay. Let us move ahead. So now I can see. Now question is, students. Now question is, in which form or in which vessel this protein would be transferred to endoplasmic reticulum? Sorry, Golgi complex.
Vacuole.
In which vessel, yes. No, vacuole. In which vessel proteins would be transported to Golgi complex?
Transport vesicle.
Vesicle is the answer. Check करो students. Can I see vesicles over here? छोटे vesicles आपको दिख रहे हैं यहाँ पे. ये देखो, I'll delete this and now you can see. Check ये देखो vesicle. This is type of vesicle. This is over here vesicle. ये देखो students, this is vesicle. है ना, कटोरी जैसा छोटा कटोरी जैसा दिख रहा है ना, that is vesicle. Okay students, is this clear up till now? And this is Golgi complex.
Yes, sir.
I am going a step ahead.
Yes.
I'll zoom out this, students. I'll zoom out this and let me go a step ahead. You will see a beautiful GIF now. You'll understand everything. बहुत अच्छे से समझ में आएगा, ठीक है? ये देखो, अभी थोड़ा larger picture का मैं देखूं students. If I see larger picture, now I am ready to coordinate the functions. I am ready to link all of them. Check करते हैं, चलो. Let us check. ठीक है, laser ले लेते हैं. This is nucleus. Can you locate my laser, students? Please tell me. Can you locate inside nucleus?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm coming out.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm coming over here. I am in a rough endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Blue dots are ribosomes. Proteins will be synthesized. Lipids will be synthesized. करेक्ट है यहाँ तक? स्मूथ में क्या सिंथेसिस होता है? लिपिड्स और स्टेरॉइड्स, है ना? ऑल्सो डज द जॉब ऑफ डिटॉक्सिफिकेशन. ओके, नेक्स्ट, रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम से जो प्रोटीन बना या यहाँ से जो लिपिड बना, कौन से फॉर्म में आएगा Golgi कॉम्प्लेक्स तक? इट विल बी कैरिड बाय वेसिकल्स. कैन आई सी वेसिकल्स स्टूडेंट्स? Can I see vesicles?
Yes, sir.
These vesicles will come and they will pour their content. अपना कंटेंट ये लोग गिरा देंगे. किसमें गिरा देंगे? Golgi complex में. मैं अभी
Golgi complex.
Do not just Do not just copy paste the term pour, which I am using. That is for your understanding. Okay, students, that is for your understanding. Pouring the content. That is just for your understanding. Okay, so vesicles आ गया. It will come into Golgi complex. In some time, I'll be explaining exactly how vesicles will enter Golgi complex. I'll be explaining that in some time. यहाँ पे आ गया Golgi complex. Now, students, can I see over here? Coming out of Golgi complex is another vesicle. Check करो. Another vesicle. ये देखो, ये दिख रहा है vesicle मुझे, students. This has just now come out of Golgi complex. And this should definitely have packaged proteins. याद आ रहा है? Packaged proteins. Now, students, now comes the very important point. Golgi complex याद आ रहा है आपको? पैकेजिंग वालों ने क्या किया था? दो चीजें बनाएंगे, एक फॉर एक्सपोर्ट एंड वन फॉर फाइटिंग. याद आ रहा है? बॉक्सिंग वाला बॉक्स याद आ रहा है? बॉक्सिंग वाला.
Yes, sir.
Golgi complex ने दो चीजें बनाई थी, है ना? दो चीजें बनाई थी. ये देखो, यहाँ पे आ जाऊं मैं, आपको थोड़ा पीछे लेकर चलता हूं, तो देन मे बी यू विल अंडरस्टैंड. ये देखो, ये चेक करो. Golgi complex had made two things, one for export. ये देखो, this was for export, and one as a boxing kit. So let us check ये दोनों क्या है. Let us see. Okay, students. So export वाला क्या था सिस्टम? यहाँ जाओ, ये चेक करो students. Now this over here is being exported. ये देखो, this is being exported, students. This is being exported. Can you check over here? ये देखो, the content is thrown or secreted out. I should not say thrown. The content of this vesicle is secreted out. कहाँ जा रहा है? Who will tell me? These proteins are going where?
Plasma membrane.
Very good. Through plasma membrane. Through plasma membrane. कहाँ जाने वाले हैं ये लोग? कहाँ जाने वाले हैं?
In the next cell.
Very good. Very good. If the other cell needs them, किसी एक सेल ने फोन किया, बोला कि अरे मुझे ये वाला एंजाइम चाहिए, भेजेगा क्या प्लीज? please can you send me? I know you prepare this enzyme and I need this enzyme right now. Can you please send this enzyme to me? So that cell or any tissue of your body which needs a specific enzyme will be made in suppose a particular cell, and that enzyme will be released, I will say secreted through plasma membrane towards the target site. समझ में आ गया? कहीं ना कहीं यूज होने वाला है ये, है ना, कहीं ना कहीं यूज होने वाला है. Okay students, now I'll come to the boxing वाला. Boxing वाला क्या था बताओ मुझे? ये
Lysosome.
Very good. So Golgi complex itself is producing certain vesicles. Golgi complex is producing certain vesicles which will have enzymes in them which can kill the harmful materials, which can degrade the harmful materials, which can help the cells to suicidal bag. समझ में आ गया students? So 1 and 2, these are two secretions coming out of Golgi complex. Am I clear with this?
Yes,
sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. Let us go into detail. और मजा लेते हैं इसका, और मजा ले लेते हैं इसका, थोड़ा सा और मजा लेते हैं स्टूडेंट्स. ये तो खाली ऊपर से पिक्चर देखा, चलो और अंदर चलते हैं. Let us go deeper. अभी तो आपने खाली देखा एक एक जन को. Let us go deeper. Yes, let us see this now. बस जूम किया मैंने इमेज को. I can very clearly see nucleus. चेक करो टाइटल क्या दिया है स्लाइड का, मैंने टाइटल क्या दिया है? यूकैरियोटिक सेल में we are going to understand endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum, just the structure part. Endoplasmic reticulum structure part. Endoplasmic reticulum is divided into two types. Endoplasmic reticulum is divided into two types.
Smooth and rough.
Rough and rough.
Smooth and rough.
Very good, very good, very good. Smooth and rough, smooth and rough. Adrita, now can you hear me, Adrita? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Okay, shabash. Okay. Are you getting everything, Adrita? Understanding everything?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Keep on replying. Okay? Because I couldn't hear your voice some maybe 10-15 minutes back. I was calling out to you. Okay, okay. Chalo students, let us proceed ahead. Can I see both the types on the screen? Can you see both the types, rough and smooth, on the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The rough one is
Yes.
having granular appearance, students. Rough one के ऊपर granular appearance है. Dot 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 दिख रहा है. Can you see that? Can
Yes,
you see that,
sir.
students?
Yes,
Have you
sir.
read very clearly? Rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay. चलो. Let us move ahead. ये क्या है, students? Golgi complex.
Golgi complex.
Very good. Golgi complex. I will make this very clear to you. Just let me draw a simple diagram and you will understand where exactly I am understanding this Golgi complex. ठीक है? एक छोटा सा diagram draw करता हूँ. Flowchart pattern में students. In this flowchart pattern, suppose here I have my endoplasmic reticulum, ER, RER as well as SER. चलो दोनों बना दूं क्या आपके में? Let me draw both of them. ठीक है? So this over here is SER and I also have RER. ये check करो students. RER. RER will be sending dash to the Golgi complex.
Proteins.
Proteins is the right answer. Protein is the right answer. Next question. RER will be sending protein in dash.
Vesicle.
Very good. क्या बात है? Very good. Next, my next question. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum will be sending dash to Golgi complex.
Lipids.
Smooth endoplasmic reticulum will be sending lipids in dash towards the Golgi complex.
Vesicle.
शाबाश, क्या बात है. Very good. Let us move ahead. ठीक है? So can I show the two arrows? दो arrow दिखा दूं फटाफट से. ये देखो, एक arrow यहाँ आने वाला है, कुछ चीजें यहाँ से आएंगी and some things will come from here, from this side. Is this understood? Very clearly understood, students?
Yes, sir.
Very clearly understood. पूरा clarity? Very good. अच्छे से confuse हो गए हो? अच्छे से टेंशन आ गया है? अच्छे से डर लग रहा है?
नहीं सर.
Nice, sir. No.
जरा भी कंफ्यूज नहीं हो गए?
नहीं सर।
सर
सर
इतने सारे मैंने टर्म्स बताए, न्यूक्लियोप्लाज्म, न्यूक्लियर पोर, न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन, पेरीन्यूक्लियर स्पेस, एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम,
सर
रफ
ये
टाइप,
10th में
स्मूथ
कर
टाइप,
दिया था इसी।
लिपिड टाइप, प्रोटीन टाइप, स्टेरॉइड, गोल्गी कॉम्प्लेक्स, गोल्गी apparatus, गोल्गी बॉडी, वेसिकल्स। फिर भी नहीं हुए तो आप हो जाओगे। चलो लेट मी ट्राई दिस टाइम, लेट मी ट्राई दिस टाइम।
क्या इससे ज्यादा 10th में ही कर लिए थे।
इससे ज्यादा 10th में ही कर लिया था। ओके, वेरी गुड। यस
सर
हाँ आदित्य बोल बोल।
So there are many
आदित्य बोल।
vesicles now to transport the proteins and lipids.
Yes, there are many vesicles. There are many
Oh.
vesicles.
Okay, sir.
Acha, I missed a term, students. I missed a term over here, and that term was cistern. Cistern. ठीक है? What is cistern? Cistern क्या है, students? Note down this term. Cistern. ये देखो. This दिख रहा है आपको ये? Disc, the flattened structure, which I could see in endoplasmic reticulum also, if you can recollect. Endoplasmic reticulum में भी हमने ऐसे flattened disc हमको दिखाई दिए थे. They are also known as cisternae.
Yes,
over here also I will call them cisternae. Okay, over here also I will call them cisternae. Is this understood? Is this understood? Rebecca, you heard us all this way, all this time? You were hearing to us? You were hearing us?
No, sir, I just joined again. Actually, there was the GB got off the old phone, so I had to log into another mobile.
Okay, no issues. So we have come till Golgi complex, and let me repeat for you. We had over here RER, if you can recollect, rough endoplasmic reticulum. We also had smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Both of them, smooth will release its lipid over here in the form of vesicles. Rough will release proteins in the form of vesicles, and they will enter Golgi complex. This structure in this slide that you can see is Golgi complex. Okay, and now these flattened structures, ये जो structures दिख रहे हैं ना हमको, flat structures, जो हमको कहाँ दिखे थे? We had seen them in endoplasmic reticulum also.
Rough
So
endoplasmic.
these flat structures, both in rough as well as smooth, students. In rough as well as smooth, we had seen this flattened structure. ऐसा जो मैंने draw किया था, है ना? ये जो structure दिख रहे हैं, flat structures. So these structures are known as cisternae. ठीक है? This we missed over there. Cisternae वहाँ पे labeling हुआ था, but मैंने ये word miss कर दिया. चलो, is this part clear, students? इतना clear है सबको, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us proceed ahead.
Yes, sir.
Let us proceed ahead.
Yes,
Now
thank you so much, sir.
Okay, most welcome, most welcome. Now the part of the Golgi complex, students. The part of Golgi complex. I should also say the face of Golgi complex. The face of Golgi complex, which is towards endoplasmic reticulum. The face of Golgi complex, which is towards endoplasmic reticulum, this face over here. This face over here is known as cis face, or it is known as convex side, or it is known as forming phase. ठीक है students? So these are three names. The side of Golgi complex, the part of Golgi complex towards the endoplasmic reticulum is known as cis, convex, forming phase. Cis, convex, forming, convex, cis. समझ में आया? Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
repeat.
I'll repeat. The phase of the Golgi complex, which is, I mean, this is the receiving phase. ये receive करता है. चल आजा. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, give me your protein. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, give me your lipid. चलो ये दे दो, मुझे ये दे दो. So this side of Golgi complex, which is receiving things from others, proteins, lipids, ये जो सब receive कर रहा है, that side of Golgi complex is known as cis phase, or convex, or forming. Is that understood? Students?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can I see cisternae? Can I see now cisternae? Can I see Golgi complex formed up of cisternae, students? Formed up of cisternae. inside the cisternae, can I see lumen? Lumen is empty space. Lumen is empty space. ये देखो, suppose this is a vessel. This is a vessel. Over here, this is a vessel. ठीक है, ये देखो screen पे students, this is vessel. If I flatten this from above, can you see a lumen inside? Can you see a space inside? Lumen. So that is how I'll define. This over here, which you can see structure, is known as cisternae, and the space inside is known as lumen. The space inside is known as lumen. Lumen means what? Empty space. Lumen means what? Space, passage. Understood? समझ में आया? Yes, देवांशी, clear है? Okay. So this over here.
Vesicles कैसे form होते हैं?
Okay, ठीक है. Vesicles would be released. मैं अभी थोड़ी देर में एक image दिखाने वाला हूँ. You will get complete clearance about this question, vesicle formation. ठीक है? Just a second. Okay, students. ये देखो, ये समझ में आया? So this space inside the cisternae is known as lumen. This space inside the cisternae is known as lumen. Okay, students. Now I can very well understand the entire feature. Now let me come to the next definition, students. Next definition. As you can see on your screen. Can I see the trans face over here? Cis ka opposite trans. Can I see trans face? Now tell me other name for trans.
Concave face.
Very good. Concave. And then the other name, I would like to tell you the other name, which is maturing phase. Maturing phase. Okay, students? Maturing phase. Is that understood? यहाँ से अब बाहर निकलेगा. समझ में आया? If this is Golgi complex. This is Golgi complex. If this end is the receiving end, यहाँ से लिया अंदर, यहाँ से release. यहाँ से अंदर लिया, यहाँ से release. Cis phase, trans phase. Cis phase, trans phase. Understanding? This is Golgi complex. This is Golgi complex. It is receiving proteins from this side. Cis phase, it is releasing the complex proteins from the other side. That is trans phase. I hope this is understood to everyone. Srushti Panchal, Manasvi, Adi Purav, Adrita, Priyanka Sankhe, Vivek, Jenny, Rasika, Aditya, Nidhi, Palak, please let me know. सबको समझ में आया?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shabash. Rutvik, what about you, Rutvik? Ramiz?
Yes, sir, understood.
Okay, very good, very good. Chalo,
So what is the difference between cis phase and cisternae?
Okay, cis phase is the side, cisternae is the component. Cisternae से बना हुआ है पूरा Golgi complex. और cis phase तो खाली एक side है उसका. जैसे this is my front side and this is my back side. वैसे मैं किससे बना हुआ हूँ? Cells. So Golgi complex किससे बना हुआ है? Cisternae. Golgi complex के दो sides कौन से हैं? Cis phase, trans phase.
मतलब सर सिस्टरने आउटर लेयर होगा ना उसका?
सिस्टरने तो उसका मेम्ब्रेन है. यू कैन से आउटर लेयर तो नहीं, बट उसके कंपोनेंट्स है सिस्टरने. ये देख, एक काम करते हैं. ये देख भैया, एक काम करता हूँ. लेट मी ड्रॉ सिस्टम. ये देख इस तरह से भैया. तो ये मैंने क्या ड्रॉ किया? ये अगर मेरा गोल्गी कॉम्प्लेक्स है, सो द लाइंस व्हिच आई हैव ड्रॉन, दीज आर सिस्टरने. These are cisternae. Cisternae से बना हुआ है पूरा का पूरा Golgi complex. And then I can say कि this face over here, this side over here is known as cis, and this side over here would be known as trans. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Swati, you have any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay,
Sir?
okay. Yes.
If cis phase perform the function of transporting the proteins and lipids, so what function is trans phase performs?
Understood. Next slide. Check करो. This is for you people. ध्यान से देखो, कुछ तो हो रहा है उस इमेज में. Yes, Devanshi. Look at the image properly.
So can I?
एक मिनट, ये देखो. Now check करो students. In the gray color
So
you have
vacuoles are forming.
correct. नहीं vacuoles नहीं, vesicles पूजा. Wait, I'll explain to everyone. ठीक है? So rough endoplasmic reticulum से I can see vesicles coming out. These vesicles are being consumed by the cis phase of Golgi complex. दिख रहा है? सिस फेज ने उसको कंज्यूम कर लिया। देखो देखो अभी जा रहा है सिस फेज के पास, गया एंड कंज्यूम हो गया, चेक करो, है ना। एंड देन इस तरफ से निकल के आ रहा है, देखो इस तरफ से बन के निकल गया। So this is trans phase. Aditya, I think your doubt is also clear now. Devanshi,
Yes,
your doubt
sir.
is
Yes.
है ना? Okay, good. समझ में आया students? This is very beautiful. You can understand everything over here. ये देखो यहाँ पे I'll put the laser now. So this is how the vesicles are being formed. These are going into the cis phase now. Cis phase में चला Golgi complex. ठीक है? ये देखो अब अंदर यस इंटीग्रेट हो गया। नाउ यहाँ पे कहीं पे इसका कंपाउंड होगा, कॉम्प्लेक्स फॉर्मेशन होगा, पैकेजिंग होगा। वंस पैकेजिंग इज डन इट इज रिलीज्ड फ्रॉम हियर। ये देखो यहाँ पे बाहर आ गया, इट विल बी सिक्रेटेड आउट। ये देखो प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन से मर्ज होके बाहर सिक्रेट कर दिया।
एंड सर दैट कंटेन्स लिपोप्रोटीन्स ना सर?
करेक्ट। There are some vesicles which will be contained over here in the cells only. देखो यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से they have also shown plasma membrane. चेक करो, ये देखो over here very nicely they are showing vesicles coming out of here. ये देखो चेक करो, check the laser now. laser जहाँ में रखा है, यहाँ से देखो बाहर आया packaged होके, this is coming till here to plasma membrane and it has released its content. Exocytosis बोलते हैं इसको। क्या बोलते हैं? Exocytosis. This process is known as exocytosis. Try to understand. Try to understand. What do I mean by exo? Exo.
Exit.
Exo, endo. Exo मतलब out.
Out.
Removing.
Endo मतलब in. है ना? Right है? Right है? And this is a simple cell. So cell के लिए which word we use, students? Cell के लिए we use which word? Cyte. CYT is cyte. Correct है? CYT is cyte. So when cell is secreting out something, when cell is secreting out something, ये check करो यहाँ। अभी देखो सेल सिक्रीट करेगा, ये देखो यहाँ पे वैसे, ये देखो वेसिकल आ गया। नाउ दिस कंटेंट विल बी सिक्रेटेड आउट ऑफ सेल। ये देखो ये सिक्रेट कर दिया हमने बाहर, है ना। सो बिकॉज सेल इज सिक्रेटिंग आउट समथिंग, देयरफॉर द प्रोसेस नोन एज exocytosis. I am the cell, cyto, I am secreting out something. So exocytosis. Exocytosis. Understood, students? Is this understood? Now suggest me a term. Suggest me a term if I am a cell and I am consuming something. I'm taking in something.
Endocytosis.
Endocytosis. क्या बात है, वेरी गुड। ये किया था 10th में जिगर। कहाँ गया जिगर, कहाँ गया? हाँ है ना जिगर। आई एम श्योर 10th में ये शायद ना हुआ हो। सो एक्सोसाइटोसिस, एंडोसाइटोसिस। Rasika is drinking water. So let me form a term, let me coin a term, let me introduce an actual term, students. मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूँ। Actual term, if fluid content is taken in by this cell, it is known as pinocytosis. पानी पीना, pinocytosis. PINO, pinocytosis. That is an actual term. Okay, so exocytosis, endocytosis. Pinocytosis is generally concerned with the fluid part. Fluid. Okay, is that understood, students? Is that clear? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes.
So let me zoom this out now. तो ये देखो, ये इमेज ने काफी कुछ अपना कंसेप्ट क्लियर कर दिया. Now I can understand the function of endomembrane system. अब तक मुझे समझ में आ गया होगा कि what exactly endoplasmic reticulum क्या करता है, vacuoles क्या करेंगे, storage. Vacuole is simple, storage. Golgi complex क्या करेगा, and lysosomes क्या करेंगे, lysosomes. So who is lysosome in your house, by the way? आपके घर में lysosome कौन है?
Mother.
Mother, very good. Mother. अच्छा, फादर
ब्रदर.
ब्रदर किसी घर पे, बाप रे.
Same here, sir, brother.
ब्रदर, ओके. तो मदर फादर को छोड़ के ब्रदर भी आजकल लाइसोसोम बन रहे हैं क्या?
हाँ सर.
Nobody will claim
सर
it.
मेरे घर पे कोई नहीं है. No one is lysosome at my home.
कौन?
Myself.
Okay, myself. Who's myself?
Same, sir, myself.
Very good, Priya. Nidhi Mehta, what about you? Who is lysosome at your place? Lysosome. Nidhi Mehta. See, if camera is off now, generally हमको पता नहीं चलता कि स्टूडेंट है भी कि नहीं है. समटाइम्स तो आई गेट अ डाउट कि मतलब मैं पढ़ा रहा हूँ तो कितने लोग सुन रहे हैं. पहली बात ऐसा नहीं कि सबने लेक्चर ज्वाइन कर लिया, चल एक गेम खेल के आते, तब तक ये बोलते रहे. बीच में आगे यस सर फिर पढ़ा. यस सर अंडरस्टूड सर.
No, sir.
Yes, Jyotika. Very good, Nidhi. So tell me who is lysosome at your place?
Mother.
Mother. I was expecting everyone will say father, but then it seems fathers are very nice nowadays. Fathers are very nice. What about you, Jyotika?
Yes, sir.
Mother or father or brother or sister, who is lysosome?
Mother.
Mother, oh. Very good. Adi, Purav, Manasvi.
Yes.
हाँ आदि पूर्व बता कौन है लाइसोसोम घर? सिस्टर. बाप रे, वेरी गुड. I feel very good to hear sisters are lysosomes. Sisters should always be very strong. They should be able to slap you at any time. Okay, Pooja Chaurasia, what about you? Mother. Wow. Mothers, सबके सब मदर इतना अचानक से लाइसोम क्यों हो गए? 2 साल पहले जब मैं पूछता था क्वेश्चन तो स्टूडेंट्स बोलते थे कि सर फादर, देन ब्रदर. कोई तो हमारे फैकल्टीज के भी नाम देता था. मेरा लाइसोसोम ये है, ये वाले सर लाइसोसोम है हमारे, ये वाले सर बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट है. स्कूल के टीचर्स के नाम देते थे. दिस सर वाज माय लाइसोसोम. ओ मैन, ही यूज्ड टू ब्रेक ऑल द अनवांटेड थॉट्स एंड decisions and answers written by me, all unwanted answers right now. Okay students, chalo let us move ahead. Let us go into vacuole. Simple function, vacuole storage. So who is vacuole for you? Who stores your information? Who stores your secrets? Who stores your every thought been inside himself or herself, just to let you know कि ठीक है, I am someone who you can trust on. Come to lysosomes first. Lysosome पे आ जाते हैं पहले. So lysosome, as you can see on a screen, students, these are the cell organelles which will have enzyme inside them. Lysosomes are the cell organelles produced by, tell me the answer, produced by
Golgi complex.
Golgi complex.
Shabash. Well done, Vivek. Vivek was very quick on this. Lysosomes are produced by Golgi complex. They contain enzymes. I have discussed this in foundation batches also, but let me take you through this again because बहुत सारे बच्चे उसमें नहीं थे. ये बहुत interesting है. And I generally get huge amount of. Yes, Palak.
Sir, I can't hear you. Please, can you speak a little loudly?
Okay. Already I am having mic close to my mouth. Now, the only thing is now I have to take it inside my mouth. Endocytosis करना पड़ेगा mic का. Can you hear me now, Palak?
Yes,
Is it clear
sir.
now? Okay,
Yeah.
chalo. So I was saying कि lysosomes contain enzymes inside them. Lysosomes are produced by Golgi complex. They contain enzyme inside them. And I did this with foundation batch. Let me do this activity now with all of you. And I want all of you to be very, very active in this. Okay, I want all of you to be very active in this. So over here, what I teach is, I teach the activity of the enzymes. Okay, students? For example, if I have to break lipid, then which enzyme I will use? I will use lipase. Okay, so this lipase would be there inside the lysosomes. Okay, students? Lysosomes would be containing these enzymes like this. Lipase किसको break करेगा? Tell me, students. Lipase will break
Lipids.
Very good. Lipase will break lipids. If you want, you can keep on taking screenshots now, students. You can keep on taking screenshots. So lipase will break lipid. My next question is proteins. If I have to break protein, I will have to use I will have to use the enzyme. Enzyme name क्या होगा? Very good. So enzyme name is protease. Protease. Okay, lipase, protease. Very simple enzyme name है. बहुत simple name. ये देखो. Next example दूँ एक आपको, एक और example लेता हूँ. If I have to break now this enzyme over here, जो मैं अभी बताने जा रहा हूँ, अभी मैं खाली आपको सिखा रहा हूँ enzyme का naming, ठीक है? So ये enzyme कहाँ रहता है? Intestine में रहता है. If I have to break maltose, I will have to use enzyme. Maltase is right answer. Maltase. Simple है. If I have to break, sucrose, I will have to use enzyme. Sucrase. Perfect. If I have to break Manasvi, enzyme will be. Enzyme will be. बोलो नाम के हिसाब से क्या जाएगा? Manasvi A.
Manasvi
is. Very good. If I have to break Palak.
Palakase.
Very good. Very good. Vivek. एकदम मस्त एंजाइम का नाम बताओ. देखो, if I have to break जिगर. जिगरेस. देखो एकदम प्रॉपर एंजाइम का नाम लग रहा है. ये देखो, if I have to break.
नहीं सर, नहीं हो रहा प्रॉपर.
नहीं हो रहा. Okay, no problem. If I have to break, let me give you very tough name of enzyme. If I am to break Drassika.
क्या?
My mother.
Drassicase. Okay, very good. So enzyme which can break Drassika is Drassicase, and Drassicase का synonym is her mother. Drassicase का synonym is her mother. Okay, Manav. Manase. Okay, Manase will also do. Shrusti. Shrustase is more perfect. Shrustase. Very good. Rutvikesh. Priyankes. Swatase. Okay. Swati का अच्छा बना. Swat क्या है? Swatase. Okay, very good students. So that is all actually. Sorry.
सर आपका नाम?
हाँ, मेरा नाम लेते हैं. Pritesh.
सर
आपका सेम ही होगा.
Spelling change, pronunciation same.
कैसा है कि see, I generally try to make sure कि जो भी अपन पढ़ रहे हैं ना, उसको थोड़ा सा ऐसे फॉर्म में लेकर जाए जहां हमको कुछ चीजें याद रहे. मतलब next time when I'm hearing something which is ending with A's, I'm surely going to get my mind onto that track. This is definitely going to be an enzyme. If I hear amylase, students, next time, amylase, I'll get to know that yes, this is an enzyme. I know this. I have done this. So this is how you have to understand concepts, especially in biology where you have n number of terms, students. N number of terms है आपके पास. अभी ये तो कुछ भी नहीं है chapter. When I'll go into morphology of flowering plants, trust me, आपको इतने words आएंगे ना. बहुत सारे students morphology of flowering plants पढ़ते वक्त, while they are still into the chapter, they quit biology. कि नहीं, मैंने गलत decision लिया. I have to quit biology. I cannot do this. You have n number of terms there. Like simple तो आपको पता है. Polysepalous, Gamosepalous, Perianth, Tepal, Petal, Tepalus, Petalus, Epiphyllus, then Epi की वजह से क्या? Then you have exile placentation, parietal placentation, central placentation, basal placentation, free and placentation. You have racemose, you have cymose, you have whorl, you have twisted, you have imbricate, you have different types of estivation. ये सब तो कुछ नाम. Trust me, I've not even uttered, I think, 5% of the words which are there in that chapter. This is not even 5%. ऐसा. So if you are not in sync with me while learning biology in this pattern, you have to learn biology in this pattern where you are ready to connect, where you are ready to अप्लाई सर्टेन टर्म, जरूर अप्लाई करो तो आपको मजा आएगा। ऐसा एक टाइम जरूर आएगा जब आप ऐसा मजा नहीं, आप यू विल जस्ट बी ऑटो पायलट मोड में चले जाओगे, ठीक है आप पढ़ाओ हम पढ़ लेंगे, दैट्स इट, नो इश्यूज, मेरे को समझ में आ रहा है, मुझे मजा आ रहा है, दैट्स इट। और एंड सीधी सी बात है कि हर एक चैप्टर में भी ऐसा अप्लाई नहीं होगा लॉजिक जैसे यहाँ पे अप्लाई कर पा रहा हूँ। एवरी टाइम देयर वोंट बी एनी स्टोरी, एनी किस्सा विच वुड बी रिलेटेड टू साइंस, सब बार ऐसा नहीं होगा। So this is just the initial stage where you should start having crush on biology, where you should start loving biology. This is for this, just that developing that crush, developing that love for biology कि हाँ मुझे मजा तो आ रहा है यार, I want to study this, ठीक है। And I'm sure कि आपको already मजा आ रहा है, इसलिए आप यहाँ नीट बैच में present हो। If not, then all the best. चलो, okay.
Sir,
So lysosomes.
Excuse me, sir. Maltose is a type of sugar, na?
Exactly. Maltose is a type of disaccharide, which will, if broken, it will release 2 molecules of glucose. Glucose plus glucose will give me maltose.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. We will cover this, by the way, Aditya, in the chapter biomolecules. Biomolecules, we are going to cover this. You're going to learn different types of disaccharides, monosaccharides, trisaccharides, oligosaccharides, polysaccharides. ये सब कुछ आएगा under the carbohydrates, and then in monosaccharides you have again 5 classes: triose, tetrose, pentose, hexose, heptose. For all those 5 classes you have 2 sugars का example, ठीक है, phosphoglyceraldehyde, then you have DHAP, then you have tetrose, erythrose, erythrulose, ribose, ribulose, hexose, heptose, pentose, pseudoheptose, pseudoheptulose, glucose, fructose, ये सारे नाम पढ़ने वाले biomolecules chapter. Okay, चलो. So yes, that's it for today, students. We are very close to, yes, we at 3 p.m. We're close to 3 p.m. now. We have still half an hour to go. And this is the best part of my lectures, where I go back to my students and I want them to recite everything for me. I generally forget everything after teaching. That is my weakness. Once I've taught everything, I forget everything. So I want you people to remind me, I want you people to teach me now, what exactly have we learned today? You can start from the start if you want. ठीक है, सेल से आप स्टार्ट कर सकते हो, या आप सिर्फ आज की बातें मुझे बता सकते हो. Everything on you. I am not expecting anybody to speak the language of textbook. If you do that, excellent. If you are unable to do that, doesn't matter. You just have to explain me whatever you have understood. Not even 100%. Even if it is 20%, you have to explain that to me. Let me listen to you and let me hear what all things you have consumed. Okay, students? Chalo, we will start with Adrita. Yes, Adrita. Adrita, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, start. So you can repeat everything that you know about this chapter, be it from the first lecture or from the lecture. Your choice.
Endometrium system consists of endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, lysosomes, and vacuoles. They make protein. Nuclear membrane has 2 sides, inner membrane and outer membrane. Inner membrane and outer membrane form nuclear pore. Endoplasmic.
Tell me the space which is present between the 2 membranes of nucleus.
Sir, can you repeat the question?
The space which is present between the 2 membranes, between the membranes of the nucleus. Space.
Nuclear pore.
No. That is the opening which is formed due to fusion of 2 membranes. I'm asking the space which is present between 2 membranes. Anybody else would like to comment on this?
Perinuclear space.
That is right answer. Very good. Perinuclear space is right answer, Adrita. Very well done. Okay, go ahead. Next point. Yes, Adrita, you can continue. Okay, no issues. We will go ahead with Jenny. Jenny, can you hear me, Jenny?
Yes, sir.
So yes, please start.
Perinuclear space
That is right answer.
Vesicle, Golgi complex, right? Golgi complex, transport vesicle in endometrium.
But endometrium, by the way, you have gone into uterus. Uterus ka innermost layer is endometrium. We have not done uterus too. Okay, no problem. Jenny, listen to others. Swati, can you please revise for us? Swati. Swati.
Yes, sir. Can you...
Your voice is cracking a lot. Hello.
Can you hear me, sir?
Yes.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes. I can hear you. Please start.
So endomembrane system consists of organelles such as endometric, endoplasmic, Golgi, ribosomes, and vacuoles. The nucleus contains two membranes, namely inner membrane and outer membrane. When this inner membrane and outer membrane fuse, they make nute, which is minute.
Wait. Your voice is cracking a lot. I'm so sorry. I will have to stop you. Swati. I'm very sorry.
Yes, sir.
You can mute your. I'm very sorry. Let us go ahead with Jigar now. Jigar, please, can you revise for us?
Yes, sir. Sir, we have learned about process where ribosomes are packed into endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi body, and it is transported from one place to another. Endoplasmic reticulum secretes ribosomes, which synthesis proteins, and it goes to Golgi complex, which packages it. And also we have learned about the parts where there are major rough endoplasmic reticulum and major smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Like, for example, muscle cells have major rough endoplasmic reticulum because they need proteins, and livers have maximum smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Then we also did that ribosomes, after packed, they go towards the plasma membrane, and from plasma membrane they are transported from the other cells which requires it, which is in the need of it. As you told that one cell calls the cell which has it, and then they transport.
I heard you calling out ribosomes multiple times, but I think that is incorrect. Ribosomes are present on the endoplasmic reticulum. They are also present in cytoplasm, but they are not packed and synthesized and released. That is proteins. Okay, Jigar? Okay. Okay, chalo. We will go ahead with Shreya next. Shreya Sanghvi. Can you hear me, Shreya? Yes, Akshay. Next is you, Akshay. Yes, Shreya. Shreya Sanghvi. Yes. Hello, Shreya. Very good. Okay, Akshay, as soon as possible. Yes, Akshay, as soon as the lecture ends, I'll upload the video. Don't worry. It takes a bit time for conversion. As soon as conversion is done, we upload it immediately. Unless we are involved in some other lecture. Okay. Yes. Take it. Akshay, you can go ahead. Akshay.
The nucleus has two membranes, inner membrane and outer membrane. And when they fuse together, pores are formed in many parts of nucleus. From that pores, mRNA comes in the rough endoplasmic reticulum, and the ribosomes in the rough endoplasmic reticulum goes and meets mRNA and take it to RNA, tRNA and rRNA, and forms lipoproteins. And these lipoproteins comes in Golgi, is transferred to Golgi complex, and Golgi complex packages it's into membrane-bound vesicles, and this is transported to plasma membrane.
Okay, first of all, it is not lipoproteins. Lipoproteins are made in the Golgi complex. So ribosomes with endoplasmic reticulum and transfer RNA, ribosomal RNA, mRNA, they will synthesize just proteins, not lipoproteins. Okay, so that was one mistake which I could identify. Okay, next would be Diksha Shah. Diksha Shah. Yes, Diksha Shah, can you hear me, Diksha?
Yes, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Sorry, please start.
Nucleus is divided into inner.
Yes, Diksha. Okay, Shreya, you can try now. Let me see if you're audible. Shreya Sangvi. Hello, Shreya. No. Can you mute yourself, Shreya? Okay, Mansi Chalwadi. Mansi. Mansi Chalwadi. Okay. Okay. Next is Rebecca. Rebecca.
Yes, sir. So we learned today about the nucleus and how proteins are actually made. So nucleus has two membranes, inner membrane and outer membrane. The inner membrane and outer membrane fuse at 4 places, which give rise to nuclear pore. Nuclear pore is an opening through which the entry and exit of materials take place. The space between two membranes, that is the inner and the outer membrane, is known as perinuclear space. The space inside the nucleus is known as nucleoplasm. Then, sir, through the nuclear pore, mRNA comes out and enters the endoplasmic reticulum. Then the mRNA meets the ribosome. The ribosome doesn't allow it to move further, and with the help of tRNA, rRNA, and mRNA makes proteins. On the other side, the smooth endoplasmic reticulum makes lipids. The proteins and lipids are transferred to the Golgi complex via vesicles. The vesicles pass through the Golgi complex. No, sorry, so 1 minute. The Golgi complex has a receiving phase, which is known as cis phase. The lipids and proteins are received in this phase. Then it passes through the cisternae, which are the flat structures present in the Golgi complex. There is lumen, the empty space in the cisternae is known as lumen. And then the vesicle, the Golgi complex produces lipoprotein from lipids and proteins, and it is released out through the trans phase or the concave or maturing phase. And the proteins which are formed in the Golgi complex are either secreted out to the plasma membrane, or it is used by the cell. So even we learned that the cell which takes in fluid is known as pinocytosis, and the cell that secretes out, that is releases the proteins, is known as exocytosis. Then we also learned about lysosomes, which contains enzymes. The lysosomes are produced by Golgi complex. These lysosomes have enzymes like lipase. Lipase breaks down lipids, protease breaks down proteins, maltase breaks down maltose, and sucrase breaks down sucrose. So today we have done this much.
Okay. Correct. Now, one correction that I would like to let you know over here is endocytosis, exocytosis, pinocytosis. These are the terms, these are the names given to the process and not the cell. You said these cells are known as endocytosis. No. These are not name of the cells. These are name of the process. Like the process where something is secreted out of the cell, that step, that process is known as exocytosis. Similarly, endocytosis. Similarly, pinocytosis. Okay. In that term, endocytosis, that cyto indicates cell. Endo indicates towards the inside. Okay. That is the only thing which I could notice.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Very nicely said. So let us move on to Drasika next.
Yes, sir. Also, the nucleus is divided. It's not divided. It has two membranes: the inner membrane and the outer membrane. So the outer membrane forms nuclear pores, which allows the materials to pass in. The mRNA, the place between the inner membrane and outer membrane is known as perinuclear space. The mRNA gets secreted out of the nuclear pores that are formed, and it enters the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Then the ribosomes allow the mRNA to get into it, and the tRNA and the rRNA, also the mRNA, form proteins, which further gets transferred to the Golgi complex, and also the lipids from the smooth endoplasmic reticulum gets into the Golgi complex, and they form lipoproteins, and then they pass out from the plasma membrane to the other cell. And then
what about cis-phase and trans-phase? Cis-phase, trans-phase. Rebecca covered that. Cis-phase, trans-phase.
Cis-phase is the it faces the Golgi complex. The front part of it faces the Golgi complex, and the trans.
As a front part नहीं बोलने का. As a that was for your understanding. You have to say कि cis-phase receives the vesicles filled with proteins. Okay? And the trans-phase would secrete the vesicles, which would be having packaged proteins or complex proteins. Okay, that is how you have to say. It will take in the vesicles, that is cis-phase, and the secretory part is for the trans-phase.
Okay, so we also learned about proteins. The proteins break down proteins, and then a lipase breaks down lipids.
Okay. ठीक है. Okay, Drasika. Well done. Next is Jyotika. After Jyotika, you will come to Manav. Yes, Jyotika.
Yes, sir. Today we started with the nucleus. There are two membranes in the nucleus. One is inner membrane and one is outer membrane. The space between them is known as the perinuclear space. When inner membrane and outer membrane fuse, at that time nuclear pores are formed. Through nuclear pores, we can exit or enter nucleus. The mRNA exits through nuclear pore and passes to ER. On the rough endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes are present. They catch the mRNA, and with the help of mRNA, tRNA, and rRNA, it forms protein. At the same time, the SER they form lipid. These both lipids and proteins are carried to the Golgi complex through vesicles. The receiving phase of the Golgi complex is known as cis phase. Through cis phase, these lipids and proteins are carried into the Golgi complex, and Golgi complex makes lipoproteins with lipids and proteins, and it secretes through trans phase and through vesicles. That lipoprotein can be either secreted out through plasma membrane to other cells, or it can be used in that same cell. It can be stored in the vacuoles. And next we learned about the lysosomes. Lysosomes are made by Golgi complex, are produced by Golgi complexes, and lysosomes contain enzymes. Lipids can be digested through lipase enzyme, and proteins can be digested through protease enzyme. Similarly, maltose, that sugar, it can be digested through maltase enzyme. And we learned about the structure of Golgi complex. In Golgi complex, we have cisternae. It is the structure, flat structure, through which Golgi complex is made. And inside that cisternae, we have lumen. It is the space inside the cisternae. The other name of cis phase is convex or forming phase, and the trans phase, other name for trans phase is concave or maturing phase. And we had learned the terms of the terms for some processes. One is exocytosis. Exo means out and cyte means cell. Similarly, endocytosis means endo means inside and cytosis means cell. Similarly, if fluid is consumed into the cell, this process is known as pinocytosis.
Amazing. I want everyone to clap for her. She has covered each and every point. Rebecca had covered almost all the points, and now she has very nicely framed everything in one frame, and that also in proper order. That is how you have to speak out the entire chapter, students. I would suggest everyone, I had said this in my first session also, and again I'll repeat, what you have to do is after the lecture ends, as soon as possible, you have everything over here on YouTube. We will be recording every session, trust me. But then you have to record your own knowledge in the form of audio. Like today, as the session ends, make out your own notes and make sure you do audio recording first. And every time you do audio recording, you can delete the previous one. So there will be a time where you will have an entire chapter maybe, or maybe half of the entire chapter in one audio. You can keep on listening to that audio and the entire chapter would be revised. This is going to play a very huge role over the next 2 years, students. So take this very seriously and start doing this just for yourself, for nobody else, for yourself. Okay, very well said, Jyotika. Mast bola, bahut acha bola. Okay, yes. So Mansi has, yes, most welcome. Mansi has reminded me about the MCQs. We were, I had promised you to bring a few MCQs for you. But because we have not yet, yes, Rebecca, just a second. Let me see your message. Process in which the cells against the package protein of the transferase is known as exocytosis. No. Exocytosis means you have to go out of the cell, not out of an organelle. So the process where the vesicles release their content through plasma membrane out of the cell, that is exocytosis. Understood? So coming out of Golgi body is just a secretion, but coming out of plasma membrane, indirectly it is coming out of cell. That is exocytosis. Okay, Rebecca. Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes.
All right. Yes, Manav, you can rejoin, no problem with that. Chalo students. So I have many of you still left for Viva, and I would like to ask each one of you. But before that, let us go to the MCQs. Okay, Mansi, I have 2 MCQs for you students. We have not covered a huge part of this chapter, therefore I don't have many MCQs for you, but I can help you with 2 MCQs, and both of them have been asked in NEET papers. NEET papers में पूछे गए. One of these 2 questions was asked in last year NEET paper. Last year जो NEET paper हुआ उसमें पूछा था. If you get this right, you get 4 marks. If you get this wrong, you get -1 for that. Okay, students? So you can send me your answers in the chat box. Okay, you can send me your answers in the chat box. Let me upload the image for you, and then we can discuss. Do not shout out the answer on audio, please. Okay, so this is the question for you, students. NEET 2020, as you can see on the screen, this question was asked in NEET 2020, which is important site for formation of glycoproteins, glycolipids. I'll give you a hint. Proteins, lipids, lipoprotein. Glucose, lipid, glycolipid. Next, glucose, protein, glycoprotein. So lipoprotein, glycolipid, glycoprotein. All of them are complex materials, not simple ones. All of them are complex materials. Yes, Jyotika, your answer is correct. Jyotika, your answer is correct. Jyotika, your second answer is correct, okay? Akshay, your answer is wrong. Priyanka, Sankhya, your answer is correct. Swati, your answer is correct. Devanshi, answer is wrong. Shrushti Panchal, Shreya Sangvi, Ashwini, Adipura, answers are correct. Adrita, answer is wrong. Pooja, answer is wrong. As I said, Jyotika, your second answer is correct, okay? Palak, your answer is correct. Rebecca, answer is correct. Disha, answer is correct. Adrita, now your answer is correct. Manav Gandhi, answer is correct. No, Pooja Chaurasia, that is wrong answer. Vivek, your answer is correct. Drastika, answer is correct. Palak, your answer is correct. Manav Gandhi, answer is correct. Vivek, answer is correct. I can see repeated answers now. So yes, Pooja, very good. That is correct now. So Golgi complex, students. Golgi complex is the answer. Why? As I said, Golgi complex has the role of complexifying the things. So when I see glycolipids, it is formed by a combination of glucose and lipids. Glucose and lipids, so glycolipid. Glucose and protein, glucoprotein or glycoprotein. Lipids and proteins, lipoproteins. Understood? So Golgi body is the term for it. Okay, students? Let us go to next question. The second question which I have for you. Second question. Okay, so second question is this one. This is very simple. You can go through this. बहुत simple. Match the column, students. Match the column. Very good, Akshay. Aram se, Akshay, go through all the options. Only then come up to the answer. Okay? Study all the options first. Very good, Pooja. Very good, Pooja. That is right answer. Pooja, your answer is right. Akshay answer is right. Manav Gandhi answer is right. Pooja answer is right. Diksha Shah, Jyotika, your answers are correct. Priya, your answer is wrong. Mahi, answer is correct. Adrita, answer is wrong. Priyanka Sankhya, answer is correct. Adi Purav, your answer is correct. Swati, your answer is correct. Srushti Panchal, answer is correct. Yes, Pooja, yes. Fifth. Priya, answer is correct now. Very good. Ashwini, answer is correct. Palak, answer is correct. Very good, Akshay. That is correct, Akshay. That is correct. Yes, Adrita. Your answer is correct now. Very good, Mansi. No, Rasika, no. That is wrong answer. Rasika, that is wrong answer. Yes, Vivek, that is right. Shreya Sangvi, answer is correct. Chalo, students, should I discuss this answer? This is very simple. Yes, Rasika, now your answer is correct. Now your answer is correct. Devanshi, your answer is wrong. Okay. Yes, Rebecca, that is right. So which option would you like to go ahead with? Which is the option, Rebecca? Okay. Chalo. Yes, Manav, very good. Chalo, students, I'll do this for you. So we will go ahead with Golgi apparatus first. Golgi apparatus does the job of complexifying the things. So as soon as I see glycoproteins, if I see glycolipids, this has to be role of Golgi complex. Okay, then I see synthesis of proteins. Synthesis proteins kaun karta hai? Ribosomes. So this is over here, ribosomes. Then I go to lysosomes. Lysosomes means what? Digestion. So this is over here. I'm left with vacuole, which is for storage. That's it. So your answer should be A. Option A is the correct answer, students. Option A is the correct answer. Option A is the right answer. I hope all the points are clear to all of you. Yes, Manas. Correct. Okay. So I guess, yes, last 4 minutes pending. Correct, Ashwini. Very good. All right, students. More MCQs. Okay, Priyanka. I promise you thousands of MCQs, Priyanka. Thousands, not one, not two more, not three more, but thousands of MCQs. As I said, let me give you a figure. Okay? The 11th standard students who have just now entered their 12 standards, we have already started with the syllabus of 12 for them. The students who passed out 10th, so your immediate seniors. We have already finished their one test series, ladder test series, which will also start with you people once we run in with the syllabus. Okay? Ladder test series. And in the ladder test series, we have already completed 3,500 se bhi zyada MCQs. 3,500, more than 3,500 MCQs within 4 and 4.5 months. And this is just the test part, which we have taken as test. Solving part, you can multiply this with 3. So 3 times more than that. So at least 8 to 9,000 MCQ solving is already done with them. So your wish will be fulfilled. Okay, Priyanka? You will get many, trust me, many. थक जाओगे, मतलब इतना मिल जाएगी थक जाओगे. अब मत दो, ऐसे बोलोगे, बस करो. ठीक है, but अभी issue क्या है कि we have not covered too much part of this chapter. We have just started, and I'll be going slowly, a bit slowly right now, and then we will pick up the speed as and when all of you gain that resonance, that frequency with me. Once that frequency matches, then obviously speed will increase, and we will start ticking off the chapters very quickly. Okay, students. So that's it from my side. I hope you've enjoyed the session. Next time, we would be going into the powerhouse of cell, that is mitochondria. We will be looking into the chloroplast also, different types of plastids, that is chromoplast, leucoplast, amyloplast, alluroplast, and mitochondria, and then different more structures and more cell organelles. Till then, enjoy your session. Enjoy your day, I should say. You will have the session uploaded on the YouTube by today evening. You can prepare your notes and do send me videos. Rebecca is consistently doing that, but I'm not getting it from other students. So I want everyone to participate. Drastika, Priya, Jigar also sent me video with Palak. So I want you people to make more videos. Acha, one more suggestion, Palak and Jigar. From next time, make sure कि the audio quality is better, because audio में काफी disturbances भी आ रहे हैं. So make sure कि आप recording जब करो तो either headphone use करो या फिर fan and everything should be switched off, because otherwise आवाज आएगी तो it won't be a clear audio. ठीक है Palak? Her video is very nice, by the way, students. Do go and check that video. I have put the link on the WhatsApp group also. She has done it really well. Matlab, as I said last time also, her confidence is very good. And it seems like book is reading everything. She has used all the technical terms. Everything very nicely put up. So I want everyone to do this, students. Everyone. Take it? Akshay, Jenny, Diksha, Parth, Mansi, Priyanka Sankhe, Priya, Mahi, sab log, Pooja, you also, Devanshi, you also. So get involved. The more you get involved, the more enjoyment you will get from this session. है ना? Jyotika, you also, Ashwini, सब लोग जिनके मैं नाम नहीं भी ले पा रहा हूँ, Nidhi, Shreya Sangvi, there are many. So start your video recording. Make sure कि you're also there in the recording. Make sure कि your face is also visible and audio is very nice. आप chart paper पे explain करो, no problem at all. Rebecca ने वैसे ही किया था, chart paper पे she had explained. It is very nice, looking very nice. As far as I can see the content, it has to be very good. What has to be done in class workbook and what has to be done in? Okay. Okay. So in class book, students, you have to write your fair notes. Okay. You will not repeat anything. Whatever we are covering over here in the form of PPT or the concepts, you have to get everything on your class book. Make sure you're doing it in colorful pattern, flow chart pattern में कर रहे हो. And I have not yet advised you people to go into textbooks. तो अभी भी textbook में नहीं जाना है. I'll tell you when you have to go into textbook. ठीक है? So textbook का tension लो ही मत. Just keep on enjoying whatever I'm teaching. Okay, for students who have not attended my previous sessions, please go on the YouTube and check the videos of the last 2 lectures. Also, in homework, students, you have to repeat everything from the start. So now if today I sit to do homework, my homework has to start from the first lecture. Okay? Do not see anything. First revise everything and then open your homework book and start writing flowchart pattern. It need not be colorful as your classwork. It can be very simple. But you have to start from the beginning. ठीक है? What is cell? ऐसे start करना, वहां से लेते यहाँ तक आ जाना है. Every single time, start से finish करके present lecture तक आना. Okay? So that is where I land, students. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Take a very good care of yourself and keep enjoying these sessions.
Thank you, sir.